In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your H&M account. This is a straightforward process, perfect for times when you want to shop online or just manage your personal information without any hassle. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and go to the H&M website. You can simply type in the URL, which is hm.com, in the address bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. The homepage will load with a wide display of the latest trends and selections that H&M has to offer. It's a bright and engaging page, so try not to get too distracted by all the new arrivals before we finish logging in. Once the website has fully loaded, take a look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a small icon or link labeled either sign in or log in. It's usually depicted with a little person icon representing your personal account access point. Clicking on this icon will direct you to the login page. This page keeps your account secure yet easily accessible, providing peace of mind that your personal information is safe. In the login area, you'll find two fields where you need to enter your login details. These will require your registered email address and the password that you chose when you first set up your account. Be careful as you type your email. Double check that there are no typos before proceeding. Ensuring both fields are filled out correctly is vital to successfully accessing your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's typically a prompt or link right below the password entry box that will guide you in resetting it. After you've entered your email and password, it's time to click the login button. This button is usually prominently displayed right below the fields where you entered your details. Clicking it will process your login credentials, and provided both were correct, you should be successfully logged into your account. If there are any issues or errors, carefully revisit your entries and try again. And there you have it. You're now logged into your H&M account. From here, you can explore personalized features, update your profile, and manage your order history and preferences. Remember, whenever you're done using your account, especially on a shared or public computer, it's a good habit to log out. You can usually find the log out option in a drop-down menu near where you initially logged in. Thanks for watching this guide on how to log into your H&M account.